Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace start-stop button from a BMW 5 Series F10 and F11 in 10 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is the start-stop engine button. So if you can see, we have to replace it because it looks very bad. So this is the new start-stop engine button. You can find this new start-stop engine button in the video description below. So before you replace it, you have to know that what type you have on your car, because there are three types of start-stop engine buttons. There it is. This is type A that we have on our car, type B and type C. So you have to remove first your start-stop engine button and then see what type of model it is, and then you can order it. So first, remove the plastic part using a trim tool to protect the paint. So we have to remove that plastic from the dash. So use a trim tool to protect the surfaces. Otherwise you will scratch them if you use a flat blade screwdriver. So pry that plastic part out. Then open the passenger door to remove it from the right side. Then disconnect the cables from the back. First the cables from the start-stop engine button. Then remove the cables from the hazard button. And then remove the cables from the door locking button. And then remove the clamp from the cables. You just pry it out. It's very simple. And now you can see there's 3 bolts that you have to remove it to take the start-stop engine button out. So these are the cables, the harnesses from the start-stop engine button. You just have to press on those 2 tabs to remove it. And then this is the harness from the hazard button. So it's the same with that one from the start-stop engine button, and this is from the door locking button, and you have to press on this tab to remove it. We'll remove those 3 bolts using a T20 Torx. Now we will remove that silver ring using a flat blade screwdriver. You just have to push those pins in to remove the plastic ring. So this is the silver ring, and now you remove the plastic cap, you remove the start-stop button cap. Also you have to use a flat blade screwdriver. So these are the pins that you have to push it inside to remove the silver ring. There's 3. So this is the new button. This is a type A button. So we'll remove the old button cap. So we just have to use a flat blade screwdriver to remove it. And now we'll replace it with a new one. You just have to push it inside and then install the silver ring from the button. And then put those 3 bolts back on the button. Then connect all the cables from the buttons, starting with the door locking button. Then put the harness from the hazard button, and then the last one is from the start-stop engine button. Put the clamp back on the plastic part, the clamp from the cables, install it back on the plastic part, and then place the plastic part back on the dash. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.